YouTube, what is up? Today we got the time I got reincarnated as a slime, bro. Visions of Coleus. Let's just get into it, man. Official trailer.
コリウス王国で厄介な問題が起きて
Pretty
いるん
bad
ですよ。
problems in Coleus.
争っているのは兄のサウザー・コリウス王太子とアスランと奴を支持する者どもを根絶やしにしろ。
Wait, is this not like... Is this an OVA or something?
アスラン・コリウス王子の両殿下。
妹も含めて俺たちは仲のいい兄弟だったんだ。
アスラン派閥とサウザー派閥で全面戦争。
アスラン。
怪しいやつ。まさか姫様を狙った資格では。
俺は大怪盗おり。サトルだ。
わらわが遊んでやるゆえ光栄に思うがよかろう。僕の方からわざわざ来てあげたよ。
Demon Lords and Demons joined the... Oh my god, it's gonna be Demon Lords too. Oh yeah, look! My boy Red! Isn't he? Wait, he's the Primordial. Nope. And then this is another Primordial.
Nope.
Oh, yeah, it's only gonna be 3 episodes, so OVA.
大丈夫だ。約束は守るさ。命が惜しければ黙って去りな。
ゴミは消えちゃえ。
わしは今神々の戦いを見
Okay,
て
I'm
お
liking
るの
this
じゃ。
intro
それでは
song
なぜ
though.
妹が苦しむ必要があったのだ。
隠れて。
無事で済むと思うな。
Oh no, what am I talking about? That was not the Primordial. That was what's his... Oh man, I haven't watched that time I got reincarnated as a slime in a minute. That's Rimuru's peoples, his peoples. The ogres, the... What is his name? Benimaru, and the other one, the ninja one. Bro, I'm so stupid. Oh my god.
もっともっと私を喜ばせてくれ。ベニマル、そうへ。お待たせ。待ってましたよ。万端です。
転生したらスライムだった剣。コリウスの夢。
Visions of Coleus.
2023年11月
All
1
3
日。
episodes. Oh, they air at once November 1st? Okay, I'm definitely gonna be reacting to that, bro.
一挙配信
I'm gonna react to all 3 episodes on that. Wait, what day is November 1st? Hold on. Wait, pause. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, man. And let me know if you want me to react to this. I definitely want to, but like, you know, let me know in the comment section. Hit that like and subscribe button for your boy if you enjoyed this video, man. And as always, thank you for all the support. Sensei out. Peace.